Okay, welcome to your very first Java tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you the layout of NetBeans unless you download Eclipse, and I'll teach you how to make a new folder. So, first what you want to do is you want to find this yellow package. I'm pretty sure they have the same thing on Eclipse, but you want to find it, or you can just go into File and click New Project. So, I'm just going to click here, and it should bring up something that looks like this. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click Java, Java Applications, and then Next. It should take a while the first time you try to make a new project. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to name this, file after what we're running. So I'm just going to name it, Java Coder Types Tutorials. And then I'm going to click Create the main class because I'm going to explain it to you. Okay, so actually I won't. So you click Finish. But it is easier for it to create mini class. I'm just going to write it out for you and show you. Okay, so let's just open this up here. Go into source packages. Okay, so what this is the project you just made. With the complement next to it. This is the where all the source files are, and this is a package. This package is going to contain all the classes. So what you want to do is you want to right click it, go to new, hit Java class. It should pop up like this. And let's just name it the Java Coder class 1. Okay, so let's just put it in the default package, and let's click finish. Okay, so we don't need all this stuff. We can get rid of that. Okay, so let me explain this to you first. Public class, the Java Coder, bracket, bracket. Now, you might be wondering, what the heck does public class mean, and what are these brackets for? I'll explain it to you. What public means is that it's accessible to any other class you might make. Remember what I said, how your class goes into this package? Uh, this, this package right here? Well, you can make way more than one class. You can make as many as you want. So this is public just so we can get code from this class and make it put it in another class. Like if we made a variable in here and we needed to pull that variable out and put it in another class, you can do that. In class, well, I guess you have already figured that out. That's exactly what this is. It's a class. And then this is just the Java code, the class 1. This is just the name of it. Now you might be wondering what these brackets are for. These brackets is what all the code is going to go inside. No code will be outside of this public class 1 unless it's like a comment, which is 2 forward slashes. So let's get on with the main class. So what you want to do is you want to type in public void main. Actually, it's public static void main. And after that, you put 2 parameters, which is name for parentheses, and then these brackets too. And then inside these, you put string, and then args with a with uh those there. Main string args. Okay. So what this is the main class here because it has this in here. You are not going to put this in any other class but this one. What it does is it makes it so when you run it, this is the first thing it looks at, and it's going to go into here and figure out where to get the rest of the code. So public again, so we can pull code from other places and put it in here so Java can actually run the whole project. Static, it means that it's going to stay the same. It's not going to be changed in any way. Void is void means that it doesn't need to be attached to anything to be here. It's just there. And main, obviously, it's the main thing. Now string args, this, you're gonna have to look this up. I might explain it in another tutorial video, but you might want to look it up and do some research for yourself. So now, this is what I wanted to show you right here. Now I hope you learned something, and let's get on with the next lesson in another tutorial. Bye.